Greetings! In this video, I would like to explain about how to find mean, median, and mode for group data. Before finding the mean, we have to know about the definition. Mean is defined as the sum of data values divided by the total number of values. For example, this data below represents the net worth in millions of dollars of 45 corporations. Take note on how to write the class limits. We should not make the values overlap between classes. How can we solve the question earlier? The solution is we can use the formula below. That is, x bar is equal to summation of frequency times the midpoint and divided by the sum of frequencies, where f is the frequency, xm is midpoint, and n is the sum of frequencies. First, we find each midpoint, which are the xm and the summation of frequency times the midpoints for each class limits by constructing the table as follows. To find midpoints, add the upper and lower class limits of one class with upper or lower class limits of the previous class. After that, divide the total by 2. In the same table, we can also find the summation of frequency times the midpoints. Then we just substitute the values into the formula and thus get the answer. Now we move to median. Median is defined to be the midpoints of the data array. We try to find the median to the question in previous example. How to find the median? By using the formula. The formula is given as follows, where n is the sum of frequencies, Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class immediately preceding the median class, f is frequency of the median class, w is width of the median class, and lm is lower boundary of the median class. First, we find the class boundaries and cumulative frequency of the data. The class boundaries are found by taking the average of the highest value of one class and the lowest value of the next class. For example, we take 20 in this class and 21 in this class. Then we divided this by 2 and get the answer. These are the class boundaries and cumulative frequency for the data in the previous example. Then we can find the median by substituting the values in the formula given. Now we go to the last but not least part, which is the mode. The mode is defined to be the value that occurs the most often in a data set. But we should take note that data set can have more than one mode, which is called bimodal. How to find the mode? One thing we should understand before finding the mode, which is mode for group data, is the model class. And the model class is the class with the largest frequency. Sometimes the midpoint of the class is used rather than the boundaries. In this example, we take the class 32 until 42, which have the frequency of 15. I think that's all for my explanation. Thank you.